When we build interactive web applications or websites, everything that happens on those websites is through event handling. These events are raised by the browser itself and sometimes or many times because of the user activity. For example, the onload event is fired by the web browser once the HTML document is completely loaded into the browser. The onFocus is fired when the user focuses on a particular text field, text area, or any other HTML field. The onClick event is fired by the browser when the user clicks on a button, or it could be a HTML button or a submit button, etc. We as JavaScript developers will handle these events and write the code that is required for our application. That code could be simply validating the fields that the user has entered, submitting the data to a server-side application, or even changing the HTML in that document dynamically. You are going to do all that in the next few lectures. Once you understand how to handle one event, then you can handle any type of event. Let's look at a couple of real-time examples before you work on some code. Go to Google, and here we have a text field and few buttons. As soon as you point your mouse here, you are focusing on it. So that's a onFocus event. The browser fires the onFocus event, and you can handle it by writing JavaScript code. You will learn that in the next few lectures. When you click on it, it's a onClick event. Type in JavaScript. You click on this button, again that's a onClick event. Behind the scenes, the Google website's HTML page will have JavaScript code that will take this text and send it to the server-side Google app that will return all the search results. Once the results are back, it will display those, as you can see. Similarly, if you go to the Facebook website, for Facebook sign up, without entering any of these fields, if I simply click the sign up button, that's a click event. On click, Facebook is validating all these fields and it is making sure that I have to enter. Otherwise, it will throw an error and I can't submit. This data is not submitted to the server-side application.